A mixed day on Wall Street. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffron in for Des. This is Tuesday, the 18th of September, 2012. Well, mixed day on Wall Street as a little bit of volume returned. However, it was still relatively light due to Rosh Hashanah, and the market just didn't want to seem to go anywhere. Let's take a look at the numbers. Let's see, the Dow Jones Industrials up just a fraction, 0.09. It was the only one up. S&P down 0.13, NASDAQ down 0.03, and the small caps were down 0.23. Dow led the way up, small caps led the way down. Bank didn't really confirm the movement here. It just pretty much a sideways day. A little bit of increase here in the VIX, the fear indicator, up 2.8. And gold up, and look at silver, up over 2%. And that oil it also dropped another 0.5% today, while the dollar recovered a little bit at plus 0.32. And we are at 1.43 on the trend. So no trade there today. So let's take a look at the S&P 500 daily. And what do we have here forming? We have what we could call is beginning to form a bull flag, where it's just coming down a little bit, and if it comes all the way down here, it at least doesn't come down to the fib of 61.8, it still has a possibility of being a bullish formation. Take a look at the Dow. The only one up a little bit today, but again, it too, nice bull flag. Then we've got the NASDAQ, nice bull flag, and then we have the small cap Russell, a little bit sharper on the bull flag, but coming down here to this point of support. Apple, by the way, did stay over that 700 mark that it was at yesterday, and that's kind of good news for those who trade Apple, which is just the most popular one traded out there. Bank didn't do much today. A little bull flag there. Gold. Now this was more of a, instead of a bull flag, this is more of a high base, because it keeps going to this line of resistance, this 172 on GLD. So that's also interesting. And of course, as we said, the VIX back down a little bit here. So these are the types of things that are going on here in the market. A lot of indecision, a lot of absorbing what the new Fed action is going to be, and those things that are going on in Europe. So if your trading isn't going right where you want it to be, we do have a 3-day Grok mentoring immersion this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We have 1 seat left. If you want to contact us at mentor@groktrade.com, you can see, we can have a conversation with you to see if it would be appropriate for you to be in that class this weekend. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. Just remember that the way to overcome fear of taking a trade is to have an excellent trading system written down and that you follow and trust.